Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful hair fascinator, and the materials needed are the crinoline hat, the net, the flower, the bias binding, the special stones, and the net. First we're going to start by attaching the net on the top part of the crinoline hat. So with the use of my candle gum, I'm going to attach the net. I don't have to touch the top part, just the tip of the net to the edge of this crinoline hat. And then to cover up my rough edges, I'm going to be making use of the bias binding, which I'll also use my candle gum as well to go round. And I'm going to also attach my bow to my crinoline hat. You can make yours more neater than mine. And as well, I'm going to be attaching my flower on the opposite side of my crinoline hat. And then I'm going to measure my net and my bias binding both at 19 inches, and then I'm going to make use of my E8000 to attach both the bias binding and the net, ensuring that it covers the front part of my face. I'm going to use, as I attach, I'm going to make sure it goes round to cover fully the front part. Then I'm going to attach my Alice band, and then I'm going to make use of the E8000 to attach it underneath the top part, directly at the middle of the crinoline hat. I'm going to make sure I hold it firmly, and now you can see the after effect. And then with my stones, you can see my stones to add more beauty. And this is the finished work. You can do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.